Morning wood is often misunderstood as a sexual urge, but in reality, it is a powerful biological signal that reflects how well the body is functioning. These spontaneous erections occur during deep and REM sleep when the nervous system, blood vessels, and hormones are working in harmony. Healthy morning erections indicate proper blood circulation, responsive nerves, and balanced testosterone levels. When stress, poor sleep, hormonal imbalance, or vascular issues interfere, morning wood may become less frequent or disappear entirely. This change is not about desire or arousal. It is the body quietly communicating that something is off internally. Just as a steady heartbeat signals cardiovascular health, regular morning erections suggest that circulation, neurological pathways, and hormonal rhythms are intact. Ignoring this signal means overlooking an early warning sign, because changes here often appear long before more serious health issues develop. Sleep posture plays a critical role in how efficiently blood and nerve signals move through the body during rest. When the body is misaligned, certain sleeping positions can compress blood vessels or place pressure on nerves that serve the pelvic region. This restriction reduces oxygen-rich blood flow and weakens neurological communication between the brain and reproductive organs. Over time, poor posture during sleep can interfere with natural nighttime erection cycles and overall vascular health. Proper alignment of the spine allows nerves to transmit signals smoothly and blood to circulate without resistance. Positions that support the neck, lower back, and hips help maintain open pathways for circulation and reduce unnecessary stress on the nervous system. During sleep, the body relies on uninterrupted blood flow and clear nerve signaling to restore balance, regulate hormones, and support healthy physiological functions. Deep sleep is when the body performs its most important hormonal and cellular repair work, including the regulation of testosterone. The majority of daily testosterone release occurs during uninterrupted deep and REM sleep, not during waking hours. When sleep is shallow, fragmented, or shortened, this hormone production is significantly reduced. Testosterone depends on a calm nervous system, low cortisol levels, and stable sleep cycles to be released efficiently. Stress, late nights, and irregular sleep patterns disrupt these stages, signaling the body to prioritize survival rather than regeneration. Over time, reduced deep sleep leads to hormonal imbalance, lower energy, weaker muscle recovery, and diminished sexual health. Consistent, high-quality sleep allows the brain to coordinate hormone signals properly, ensuring testosterone levels rise naturally and support overall vitality and reproductive health. Poor sleep position can quietly interfere with pelvic blood flow by placing prolonged pressure on blood vessels and soft tissues during the night. Positions that compress the lower abdomen, hips, or groin can reduce the delivery of oxygen-rich blood to the pelvic region, which is essential for healthy tissue repair and normal erectile function. When circulation is restricted for hours, the body's natural nighttime recovery processes become less efficient. Blood vessels need space and relaxation to dilate properly, especially during sleep when restoration occurs. Twisting the spine or curling the body too tightly can also create tension that affects vascular flow and nerve response. Over time, repeated restriction of pelvic circulation may weaken nocturnal erections and signal broader vascular stress. Supporting the pelvis and maintaining a neutral sleeping posture helps preserve healthy blood flow and overall reproductive health. Proper spinal alignment during sleep is essential for maintaining both hormonal stability and healthy neurological function. The spine protects the spinal cord, which carries signals between the brain and the rest of the body, including organs involved in hormonal regulation. When the spine is misaligned for long periods, nerve signaling can become disrupted, creating stress responses within the nervous system. This stress elevates cortisol levels, which can suppress hormones such as testosterone. Poor alignment also interferes with deep sleep quality, reducing the body's ability to enter restorative stages where hormonal balance is restored. A neutral spine allows the nervous system to remain calm and responsive, supporting efficient communication between the brain and endocrine glands. Over time, consistent spinal support during sleep helps regulate hormones naturally and preserves the neurological pathways necessary for overall physiological balance and recovery. Consistent sleep timing allows the body's internal clock to function correctly, which is essential for restoring natural erection cycles. The brain and hormones operate on a circadian rhythm that depends on regular sleep and wake times. When sleep schedules are irregular, the body becomes confused about when to release testosterone and enter deep restorative stages. Even if total sleep hours seem sufficient, inconsistent timing can disrupt nocturnal erection patterns. Regular sleep timing lowers nighttime stress hormones and strengthens the connection between deep sleep phases and healthy blood flow. Over time, the body relearns when to initiate hormonal release and vascular responses during sleep. This predictability helps re-establish normal nighttime erection cycles without external intervention. By simply going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, the body regains its natural rhythm and restores physiological functions that depend on precise biological timing. Consistent sleep timing allows the body's internal clock to function correctly, which is essential for restoring natural erection cycles. The brain and hormones operate on a circadian rhythm that depends on regular sleep and wake times. When sleep schedules are irregular, the body becomes confused about when to release testosterone and enter deep restorative stages. Even if total sleep hours seem sufficient, inconsistent timing can disrupt nocturnal erection patterns. Regular sleep timing lowers nighttime stress hormones and strengthens the connection between deep sleep phases and healthy blood flow. Over time, the body relearns when to initiate hormonal release and vascular responses during sleep. This predictability helps re-establish normal nighttime erection cycles without external intervention. By simply going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, the body regains its natural rhythm and restores physiological functions that depend on precise biological timing. Breathing quality during sleep has a direct impact on how much oxygen reaches the body's tissues throughout the night. Slow, deep, and unobstructed breathing allows oxygen to enter the bloodstream efficiently and be delivered to organs, muscles, and blood vessels. When breathing is shallow, restricted, or interrupted, oxygen levels drop and tissues receive less nourishment. This reduction affects vascular health, nerve function, and cellular repair processes that depend on oxygen. Poor oxygen delivery can limit blood vessel dilation and slow nighttime recovery. Sleep positions that restrict the chest or airway further worsen this effect. Healthy breathing supports circulation, reduces strain on the heart, and helps maintain balanced nervous system activity. During sleep, optimal oxygen delivery is essential for tissue repair, hormonal regulation, and overall physiological restoration. Stress hormones released at night, especially cortisol, can significantly suppress erectile function by disrupting the body's natural recovery processes. Under normal conditions, nighttime is meant for relaxation, hormonal repair, and nervous system calm. When stress levels remain high during sleep, cortisol stays elevated and interferes with testosterone production. This hormonal imbalance weakens blood vessel responsiveness and reduces the signals needed for natural erections. Chronic stress also keeps the nervous system in a state of alertness, preventing entry into deep restorative sleep stages. Without these stages, circulation and nerve communication suffer. Over time, repeated exposure to nighttime stress hormones reduces the frequency and strength of nocturnal erections. Managing stress before sleep allows the body to shift from survival mode into recovery mode, supporting healthy erectile function and overall physiological balance. Fixing sleep habits can naturally restore morning erections by allowing the body to rebalance its hormones, nervous system, and circulation without external substances. Quality sleep supports testosterone release, healthy blood flow, and proper nerve signaling, all of which are essential for nocturnal erections. When sleep becomes consistent, deep, and uninterrupted, the body shifts into a repair state where these systems recover on their own. Poor sleep habits often create hormonal disruption and vascular stress that medication cannot fully correct. By improving sleep posture, maintaining regular sleep times, reducing nighttime stress, and supporting proper breathing, the body often responds quickly. Morning erections return as a sign that internal systems are functioning correctly again. This approach addresses the root cause rather than masking symptoms, making sleep correction a foundational and sustainable solution for restoring natural erectile health. Remember, restoring your morning erections isn't about shortcuts or medication. It's about giving your body the care and sleep it truly needs. By improving your sleep habits, posture, breathing, and stress management, you allow your body to naturally heal, restore hormonal balance, and regain vitality. Start prioritizing sleep tonight and let your body show you the results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and educational insights. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on natural ways to improve your health, energy, and overall well-being. Take action today, because better sleep means better health tomorrow.